In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add cash on delivery as a payment method in Odoo. If you are setting up your store or invoicing process and you want customers to have an option to pay when they receive their order, cash on delivery is a common choice. In this tutorial, we will create that payment method inside Odoo by using wire transfer as the base. To begin, go to the accounting or invoicing area. Depending on your Odoo setup, the wording may vary slightly, but you are looking for the section where payment providers and payment-related settings are managed. Take a moment to locate the accounting or invoicing menu item in the main navigation and click it. This is the right starting point, because the payment provider's configuration usually lives under accounting settings, not under website settings. Once you are inside accounting or invoicing, the next thing you will do is open configuration, then go to payment providers. This step matters because payment providers is where you can enable or adjust the payment options that Odoo can use. Look for a configuration menu or tab within the accounting area. From there, select Payment Providers. You should now see a list of existing payment providers, which may include different payment options you can enable and configure. Now you will select Wire Transfer. In Odoo, wire transfer is used as a base option for cash on delivery. This means you will not create something entirely new from scratch. Instead, you will duplicate the structure of wire transfer and then rename it so it appears in the system exactly as cash on delivery. Find Wire Transfer in the list. When you click it, you should be taken to its details page, where you can edit fields like the display name and the status. After opening Wire Transfer, focus on the display name field. This is the label that users and customers will recognize. In our case, you want to rename it to Cash on Delivery. Click the display name field and replace the current name with exactly that wording. Writing it clearly helps avoid confusion later, especially when customers are choosing a payment method during checkout or when confirming an invoice. With the name updated, the next step is to set the state to enabled. The state controls whether the payment provider is active and available to use. Look for a field called State or something similar, and make sure it is set to enabled. If it is currently disabled, Odoo will not show it as an available payment option, so enabling it is essential for the change to take effect. Once you confirm the state is set to enabled, click Save. This final action is what stores your changes in Odoo. After you click Save, give Odoo a moment to update the record. If the page refreshes or returns you to the list, you can quickly check that the payment provider now shows the correct display name and that it indicates the enabled status. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know to add cash on delivery as a payment method in Odoo by using wire transfer as the base, renaming it properly, enabling it, and saving your changes.